Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Setting a default calendar in Outlook ensures your appointments and meeting invites always land in the right place. This process is straightforward but depends on which version of the software you use. To change your default calendar in the Outlook desktop application, start by opening the program on your computer. Look at the top left corner of your screen and click on the File tab. From the menu that appears, select Account Settings and then click Account Settings again in the drop-down menu. A new window will pop up with several tabs across the top. Click on the tab labeled Data Files. You will see a list of all your email accounts and their associated data files. Find the specific account or calendar you want to use as your primary schedule. Click on that file to highlight it. Once selected, look for the option that says Set as Default located in the toolbar above the list. A warning message might appear asking if you want to change your default delivery location. Click Yes to confirm your choice. Close the settings window and restart Outlook to ensure the changes take effect. If you use the web version of Outlook, the process is slightly different. Click the gear icon in the top right to open Settings. Select Calendar from the left sidebar and then go to the View section. Under the heading for your calendar, you can pick which one should be your primary view. Having a single default calendar prevents missed meetings and keeps your professional life running smoothly across all your synced devices. This makes planning much easier.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.